When I started the brake work, I decided to take the tank off. I was going to fix this. This issue is where the previous owner had used the seat bolt upside down and then continuously bashed into the tank and tore it up. So I was going to patch that. Being on the tank, that would have been easy. I got closer to looking at it. There was more holes on the top, the sides, which also on the top, easy enough to deal with. But then there's weak spots down the bottom on this corner, this corner, and this corner. So me being a lazy person, decided to just replace the tank. You know, it's a shame they don't. This is kind of an odd size. It's a high capacity tank compared to what I replaced it with. But what I wanted is reliability and something easy. You can get epoxy to patch gas tanks, and you can patch them up to work, and a lot of guys like it. And I've done that in the past on a couple of different motorcycles, but that experience in the past, you can also solder them. Some guys do that, but my skills with that is not up to snuff as much as I want this tractor to be reliable. So plenty of guys could fix this, but I chose not to. I'm going to shelve it. Maybe someday, if I decide to restore this tractor, I may revisit this and patch it up. But for now, I think the new tank looks pretty slick, and I don't have to worry about patching it, putting it together just to find out that there's another pinhole show up that I need to patch. And it's kind of a downhill spiral once you get to that point sometimes. Although this tank probably isn't too bad, and I've seen worse ones repaired. To mount the replacement tank, I took the original mounting brackets off the original tank off, and I reversed them. This gives me just enough room to put an adapter plate, use the old brackets to attach an adapter plate to attach the mount for the new tank came with it. This is a bit tight clearances for this new tank, a little tighter than I'd like, but it's not too bad, and I haven't noticed any rubbing. So if I have more time, I may actually change the mount and instead of using the originals, do something a little different. But for now, I'm just going to keep it like this. I may even cut these bolts off a little shorter because they're a little ugly sticking down like that. But either way, it's a brand new clean tank. Don't have to worry about holes or rust. However, the new tank is a bit smaller in capacity, and that's one trade-off. But I'm usually close by to a gas can, so that shouldn't be a factor for me. But it is a bit smaller, and that's something to consider when replacing the tank. You could also, another option is to get a bigger tank and do some fender work. But I didn't want to go to that much effort.